Formation of shadows. When an opaque object is placed in the path of light, a dark shape of the object is formed on the surface opposite to the source of light. This dark shape is called shadow. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Features of a shadow. A shadow is a dark outline of an object. The shape of a shadow may or may not match with that of the object. It all depends on the position in which the object is held in the path of light. Size of a shadow increases if the opaque body is close to the source of light and away from the screen. The size of the shadow decreases if the opaque body is close to the screen and away from the source of light. Objects of different colors but of same shape form same kind of shadow, that is, a dark patch. Conditions for formation of the shadow. There are certain essential conditions required for the formation of a shadow. A source of light, it can be a natural, like sunlight, or artificial, such as candle or torch. An opaque object that blocks the light coming from the source. An opaque wall or a screen on the opposite side of the light source on which the shadow is formed. Distance of the object from the source of light. The shadow formed will be large if an object is close to the source of light. If an object is far from the source of light, it forms a small shadow. Formation of shadows at different times of the day. At different times of the day, the shadows formed will have different lengths. In the morning, the length of the shadow is longer than the actual object and points to the west. As the sun gradually rises until midday, the shadow becomes shorter. At midday, the length of the shadow is the shortest. When the sun sets, the length of the shadow gets longer. In the afternoon, the length of the shadow is longer and points to the east. Formation of shadows at night. At night, shadows form in presence of moon, an artificial source of lights, such as lamps, torch, tube lights, bulbs, etc.